Okay, Marty has the bone. Let's see what happens. The bone is very important to them. It's like a circus. It's like, give me my bone.
Hey, should I get the other one?
Oh, another one got it. No, Marty's not. I'm telling you, this is too much.
She's way better at defense.
Rexy's better at defense. Oh, Rexy still got it. That's how they're going to be running all day. Oh. Mm. Hey, Marty. Hey, boy.
He just walks away.
Marty's like, what do I do?
Did you see that how he waited and then he like leaned back and goes,
Oh, this one just barks. Did you see Marty doesn't bark at all.
hey, you're distracting him.
Don't worry, he won't hurt you, Brandon.
Oh, he almost got it too. Rexy's like, where is he? Where is the kid? We'll beat him up. Oh, there he is.
I don't know what just. Okay, this is a moment. There we go.
Look at them both breathing hard.
Mm-hmm. He just stands there. Look at that. Whoa. That's what they were doing earlier. I forgot.
Oh, they know to stay in the kitchen, which is good.
It's amazing. Now they're chasing each other around the kitchen island. Did you see how they pulled his tail? It's incredible.
Oh,
He was confused why I'm screaming. Are you tired, sweetie? Yeah, you're that tired. Gonna take a drink. Gonna chase some more. Oh, you're gonna tease him? Oh, the moment of truth. Oh my god.
like a boar.
I gotta see this from this side right here. Oh, he let it go. He grabbed onto it. See, they can go like this for hours.
Hey, it's the carpet this time. It's good. Sniff his butt. Does he have it?
Are you trying to trick your buddy? Oh, that's a good moment right here.
Latches on. Get off my bone.
Who's stronger? And he's looking at me, Marty, sweetie. Oh God, you gotta be kidding.
Yeah.
Oh. See, Marty's gonna be quiet. He's not gonna bark. He's just gonna try to get it back. He's thinking, look, okay, what's the best way to get it back? The best way is to look at him slowly, calm, and then grab it. Oh no, or bite it. Oh, there we go again. Oh wow, his teeth are stronger. Did you see that? He pulled it out of Rexy. The fight continues inside, even though there is another bone there. They just like the brown one. Come on, guys, you have two. Marty, Rexy, what's up, boys? No, they're just one. Okay. Wow, look at that. Where is the bone? Oh, I think he heard him. Look. Oh, sweetie. Okay, as soon as they are calm, I'm gonna take that book. Look, he bit him on his...
Rexy bit
sweetie.
Marty. Rexy bit.
Yeah.
Where?
Look, he can't move. He can't put his foot down. His front leg. Okay, we're gonna take that away so that they're a little bit... Okay. Can you take it away? Or are you afraid?
What?
Take away that brown bone. Actually, no, I'll do it. Hold on.